Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add text in Pixlr. So first, go to pixlr.com and click on this icon in the top right corner and select Pixlr Designer, or scroll down and select Pixlr Designer from here. Now select one of these options. You can click on templates to start or to browse the provided templates, or you can click on start new to start a new design. Here you can change the name of your design and the width and the height. Then click on create. Now click on design if you want to add a design, and click on text to add a text. So here you can select one of these styles. Just click on the style you want to add, this one for example, and then you can select the layer you want to edit. Just click on it, and here you can change the name of the layer. You can click on transform to position it and change the width and the height, and you can also rotate it. You can click on link or unlink. Let's click on undo to undo the changes. Here you can click on duplicate to duplicate it, and you can click on delete to delete the text box. And double click on the text to change it, or you can just click on this box here to change the text in the text box. Here you can select one of the provided fonts, or you can add a local font. You can also change the size, the line spacing, the letter spacing, and here you can align it and add a style. You can select one of these options or multiple options. For example, this one to curve the text. This one to add a background, an outline, shadow. And yeah, now you can select another text or select it from the layers here. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.